I want you to want me forever and always, but you only want me when you're feeling lonely. But that hardly happens, 'cause you're very pretty and everyone wants you to want them forever.
I miss you mostly all the time. I think I made a big mistake to let you go, 'cause I'm getting lonely by the day. And days are passing faster ever since you've gone away. I miss you mostly all the time. So many things have changed around since you have changed. Wondering who you're with today. And if you're thinking about me ever since you've gone away. And I've got a telephone. I whisper through the mirror. Remember how it felt before. I never wanted to get in. I never wanted it until you shut the door. I miss you mostly all the time. I think I made a big mistake to let you go, 'cause I'm getting lonely by the day. And days are passing faster ever since you've gone away. Soon I've got a toughen up. I whisper to the mirror. Remember I knew you'd fit me like a glove the day I fell in love with the way you said my name. I know it sounds crazy, baby, try to understand me, please do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I knew you'd fit me like a glove the day I fell in love with the pictures in my head. I know it sounds crazy, maybe one day I could share them with you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I really don't mind waiting as long as it takes you. I've been waiting for so long, so what's another week or two? 'Cause every time I see you, life goes bright. Ooh, ooh. The moon, the stars, the fireflies, they light. It seems as if the world stops spinning round and round. But since I found you. 'Cause every time I see you, life goes bright, like daytime in the middle of the night. It seems as if my mind stopped wandering round and round. Oh, since I found you. I knew you'd fit me like a glove the day I fell in love with a dream of me and you. I know it sounds crazy, maybe one day I could share it with you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And I really don't mind waiting as long as it takes you. I've been sleeping for so long, so what's another dream or two?